Ever feel like you're losing the management battle to your inbox? 14 hours a week. This is how long the average manager spends just dealing with email. Instead of leading, making decisions, and developing a team, the average manager spends too long just reading, replying, archiving. Reading, replying, archiving. Here's how to take those hours back, using a tool already sitting in your Gmail. If you're looking for tips on how to save time, subscribe. Email is just one of the battle. Reporting and workflows are next. The average manager usually tackle 120 emails a day, 2 minutes each if you're fast. That's 4 hours every single day. And by Friday, you have a feeling of being behind on your work. But here's what most people miss. The problem isn't the volume, it's the type of work. Most of those emails don't need your brain, they need a response. There's a difference. Welcome to the engine room. Let's start with reading emails every morning. Let AI do it for you. Instead of scrolling through an entire thread, you tell Gemini what you need and let it do the reading. Within 10 seconds, you now know every decision buried in that thread and whether you need to act on any of it. You can triage 20 threads before your first coffee, and the inbox stops being a bottleneck. Next, we tackle writing emails. Describe them to Gemini instead of writing long threads. Gemini reads the original message, understands the context, builds a reply. You review it, you still make the judgment call, then send. A reply that would have taken 4 minutes to write from scratch now takes about 30 seconds. Imagine the number of emails you write every day and how much of a time saver this is. Now let's talk about the silent killer, follow-ups. The emails that slip through because you were moving too fast. The messages you sent that never got a reply. Gemini has the possibility to draft the follow-up. You review, send. Nothing falls through the cracks. Now remember, you remain in charge. AI is the tool, and you are the manager. You're not outsourcing judgment here. You are getting something else who is much faster at typing to do the job. The decisions stay yours. This is it. The 3 stages: triage, drafting, follow-ups. The result? 14 hours a week, down to under 2 hours. This is the exact same inbox, same volume. Only change is how you go about the job. And the follow-ups that used to slip through the cracks? No longer happening. Because the system doesn't forget. Those 11 hours you just bought back, that's where the actual management happens. The channel is already sitting in Gmail. The bottleneck was never the tool. It was knowing where to start. This video isn't about AI tips. It's part of the AI Manager Method, a practical system for helping managers spend less time on admin and more time leading their teams. If you visit my channel, you will see that we already covered research and meetings. Every video adds another piece. Today we covered email. You just saw it. Reporting drops next, then workflows. When all 5 are running, this is where you will spend less time on admin and more time managing people. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss reporting. If this video changed how you think about your inbox, drop a comment. What's the one email task you'd automate first? I'll see you in the next one.